Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason. You're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So guys, I wanted to talk about Apple. So a lot of us expected that Apple was going to hold an event on March 23rd. Of course, you know that didn't happen. So Apple is going to, of course, hold a March event. I mean, not a March event, an April event. And a lot of us are hoping to see a few items like the long-awaited AirTags. I know Jon Prosser reported that, the March event is when we're going to see this. So looks more than likely we'll see it in the April event. And then, we should see a new iPad with the mini LED. I don't know if they're going to continue the trend of using USB-C, but it's a safe bet to say that they are. So another few things that we're hoping to see was the new redesigned iMacs. Since they discontinued the iMac Pro, we're hoping to see a new iMac with the Apple Silicon. And I'm actually hoping to see a new laptop, but unfortunately, I think that is going to be later in the year, possibly in June or even later than that. So I don't have my hopes up for that one, but maybe Apple will surprise us with something else. And of course, like these Apple events have changed, and normally Apple has like three events during the year. So they have their normally a spring event, they have WWDC, and of course they have the iPhone event like normally in September. So hopefully we do see something from Apple next month. I'm anticipating 11.3 dropping for Big Sur, as well as the next update for iOS, and that should be 14.5, where I said before in one of my videos that it adds that support for using the HomePod as a dedicated source of audio if you have like a MacBook. And of course, 15 or 14.5 has additional features in there. And some of them I'm looking forward to, and I'm of course looking for more stability, more security fixes. And yeah, I've been having this issue, still with Bluetooth. So hopefully in this update that is finally taken care of. And I also had an issue with my OWC hub, and that I don't know if it's because of Big Sur. It initially was working. Now I can't use the Ethernet port. So I'm hoping that 11.3 for Big Sur resolves this issue. So guys, what are you looking forward to seeing from Apple? And, do you think they're going to release any additional products? Let me know in the comments below. This is Jason, and you just tuned into I Speak Geek. Peace.